Welcome to my channel Honest Auto Wheels, where we don't just review vehicles, we experience legends on wheels. Today's video is something special, something bold, something deeply American. Imagine the comfort of a private jet, the soul of a classic road trip van, and the luxury of a high-end lounge all combined into one rolling masterpiece. Yes, this is the return of an American legend. The 2026 GMC Savana Explorer Conversion van is back, and it's more luxurious, more powerful, and more impressive than anyone expected. Stay with me, because by the end of this review, you might seriously question whether luxury SUVs even make sense anymore. This van isn't just about transportation, it's about presence. The moment you see the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer, it commands respect. The exterior design stays true to its iconic, boxy American silhouette, but now, it's refined with modern luxury touches. The bold chrome grille up front proudly carries the GMC badge, flanked by sharp, updated headlights that give the van a confident, upscale look. The body lines are clean and purposeful, emphasizing strength rather than sportiness. This is a vehicle built to dominate highways, not blend in. Premium alloy wheels fill out the wheel arches perfectly, while subtle chrome accents along the sides elevate its luxury appeal. Tinted windows aren't just for privacy, they add a sleek, executive vibe, making it clear this Savana means business. From airport pickups to cross-country road trips, this van looks expensive, powerful, and unapologetically American. Step inside the cockpit, and the transformation is immediate. This is where rugged utility meets refined comfort. The driver's area is designed to feel familiar yet upgraded, making long drives effortless. The steering wheel feels solid in hand, wrapped in premium materials, while the dashboard layout is clean, practical, and easy to use. Modern infotainment takes center stage, featuring a large touchscreen display with navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, ensuring you're always connected. The instrument cluster is clear and well lit, providing all essential driving information at a glance. Premium leather seats with plush cushioning give the driver and front passenger exceptional comfort, even on extended journeys. Multiple storage compartments, cup holders, and charging ports make this cockpit not just luxurious, but genuinely functional. This is a space where drivers feel confident, relaxed, and in control. Now, let's talk about where the Savana Explorer truly separates itself from everything else on the road. The rear interior. Open the door, and you're stepping into a luxury lounge on wheels. This is not a van. This is a mobile VIP suite. The first thing you notice is space wide, open, and intelligently designed. Plush captain's chairs welcome passengers with deep cushioning, armrests, and reclining functionality. These seats aren't just comfortable, they're built for relaxation, whether you're traveling with family, clients, or friends. Soft ambient lighting runs along the ceiling and side panels, creating a calm, upscale atmosphere that feels more like a luxury hotel than a vehicle. Move further inside, and the sofa seating steals the show. Wrapped in premium leather, the sofa isn't just for sitting, it's for stretching out, relaxing, and enjoying the journey. It's perfect for long road trips, executive travel, or even quick naps between destinations. Facing the seating area is a large LCD TV, seamlessly integrated into the interior. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or presentations, the entertainment system transforms every ride into an experience. High-quality speakers surround the cabin, delivering rich, immersive sound that rivals home theater systems. Everything inside this van is designed to make time on the road feel effortless and enjoyable. The materials used throughout the rear cabin are nothing short of premium. Soft touch panels, stitched leather, wood-style accents, and plush carpeting come together to create a space that feels handcrafted. Climate control ensures every passenger stays comfortable, while privacy curtains and tinted glass keep the outside world exactly where it belongs outside. This is the kind of interior that makes passengers forget how far they're traveling, because they simply don't want the ride to end. Now, let's lift the hood and talk about what powers this luxury beast. The 2026 GMC Savana Explorer offers proven American muscle, giving buyers confidence in both performance and reliability. Under the hood, you'll typically find a powerful V8 engine option, delivering strong torque and smooth acceleration. This van doesn't struggle, it moves with authority, even when fully loaded with passengers and luggage. The transmission is tuned for comfort and durability, making highway cruising smooth and stress-free. Whether you're merging, overtaking, or climbing long stretches of road, the Savana feels planted and capable. Performance here isn't about speed, it's about confidence. The suspension is designed to balance comfort with stability, absorbing road imperfections while keeping the van steady at high speeds. Steering feels predictable, braking is strong, and overall handling inspires trust, especially for such a large vehicle. This makes the Savana Explorer ideal for long-distance touring, luxury transport services, or families who want space without sacrificing performance. Now, the big question, is it worth it? And how much does it cost? The price of the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer Conversion van reflects its luxury status. Depending on customization and features, pricing can climb into premium territory, but here's the surprise: it offers incredible value for what you get. When you compare this van to luxury SUVs, private transport vans, or even entry-level motorhomes, the Savana Explorer holds its ground strongly. You're getting space, comfort, power, and exclusivity in one package. Very few vehicles can deliver this level of luxury while still being practical and reliable. Features like advanced safety systems, multiple airbags, driver assistance technology, premium infotainment, luxury seating, and a fully customized rear lounge make this van more than just transportation, it's a lifestyle choice. It's for people who value comfort, presence, and the freedom of the open road. So, here's the truth. The 2026 GMC Savana Explorer Conversion van is not trying to compete with anything else, it exists in its own lane. It brings back the spirit of classic American vans while embracing modern luxury and performance. This is the return of a legend, reimagined for a new generation. If you want space, power, comfort, and undeniable road presence, this van doesn't just surprise, it impresses. This is Honest Auto Wheels, and this was the full luxury review of the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer. If American luxury on wheels excites you, you already know this legend is absolutely worth it.